everybody, my name is Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and today I serving you guys this makeup look right here. If you guys would like to see how I create this makeup look and what products I use in this video, please keep on watching. Alrighty you guys, so as you can tell, I already did my eyebrow. I made them a little straight today for some reason. I was feeling a little bit straight. Is that weird? Is that odd? Well, anyway, I'm gonna start priming my eyes with the Pulaa. This one right here. This is the Rumor 01. So I'm gonna be using this one as my eye primer as always. For today looks, honestly, I don't really know what I'm going to do. So I kind of want to do something a little bit more colorful. As always, I've been feeling a lot of like color lately. Oh, by the way, I'm loving this brush right here I'm using. It's from Color Rain blending brush. It's with the collection Sapphire Rain, their newest collection. It's really good for blending liquid like eye primer, like Pulaa. I feel like they work so great. But I'm going back to work and everything. Things have been it was like a lot of big changing in the workplace. It could be a little bit stressful, and sometimes I feel like I lost that inspiration of like doing stuff, which is kind of hard. But I'm like trying to get back on track because it's really important for me, and of course for you guys, because I know that maybe or maybe not you guys are waiting for my video, even though they're not the best quality or they're not the best, you know, I'm not the best one out there in the YouTube, but you know, I really appreciate like a couple, like thousands of you guys that there for me. But what you guys gave it to me was really like big, and I really appreciate all of you guys for that. I know it's such a, like a long process of like applying primer, but like I really wanted to make like a chit chat video with you guys today. So I wanted to recreate this picture from my Instagram. So I created this makeup last night. If you guys can follow my Instagram, you guys should, because I post like a daily, like I just only do like one eye and then I take a picture and post it on, so you guys don't get too bored with my Instagram because it's not really nothing to do on there. I'm gonna be using this two palettes right here. Is the Beauty Bay and the BPerfect glittery. These are like my favorite, like ride or die, like a colorful palette. And also this one that I use a lot lately, and then I've been using this like tons. But today I'm going to be using these two together. I'm going to be using the color Mood, which is the dark blue right here. So yes, I'm just pretty much keep blending this blue. So I'm going to go in and like slightly, almost like I wouldn't say like a blending or not tapping, but it's almost like a scratching, like scratch, like a little by a little. Like just like that. Like I guess you can call it tapping, but then like kind of like that, trying to keep the color low so you can be able to put more color and you can make the like a layer. But as you do that, just make sure you blend everything together really good so it doesn't look weird. Take your time and just blend on yourself, because I know sometimes it can take quite a long time, but just believe in the process, you know. Like it might look a bit weird right now, but we're gonna go back and try to fix everything. Like we're gonna try to like blend everything out together one more time. So the next color I'm gonna be using the shade Funky, which is this pink right here. Then we're gonna use this hot pink. I blend above that purple, but just try to keep it low because we got one more color to put above this pink color. Now I'm going to be using the shade Keen, which is this yellow right here. Okay, now after I get all the yellow laid down, let me like take a close up for you guys. I'm going to go in with the pink one more time. Now we're gonna go in with the purple. Okay, so it's like start to coming together. As I told you guys, you know, you have to trust in the process of like doing this stuff right here. So now I'm going in with the shade blue. Now I'm just blend a little bit above that purple. So now I'm gonna use this brush right here, going in with black color. Literally, you can use any black from any palette. And I'm gonna be using my Soeva 144 soft concealer brush to cut the freaking crease. But right now I'm just using this to use as a guideline where we want our crease to look like. So I want the crease to be a little bit large, so I'm gonna do that. So now I'm gonna go in with the same base. It's the Pulaa 01. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go in with the Heavy Metal in the shade Midnight Cowboy to just kind of like go in with the glitter liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I already finished with my bold eyes because I told you guys I'm gonna go off and finish my glitter liner. But then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna finish it up real quick because I only focused on the eyes today. So the face, I'm probably gonna go off and finish my whole face and be right back. So yeah, I'm gonna go off the camera and finish my whole face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the finished look of this look right here. I really hope you guys like it. So I think I did pretty good on both sides because I actually was kind of worried that I was not gonna be able to do it on this side because it is kind of complicated and then I was kind of struggling with the blendings and stuff. But I just wanted to explain to you guys what I used on when I went off the camera. So for the lashes, I used the brand called Hawaiian Lashes. So this is what the packaging looks like. The style I'm wearing right now is called Lucky. If you guys use my discount code NAMHI15, I will link it down below so you guys can save some money off that as well. So for my lower lashes, I did exactly what we did on the crease up here. So I just repeat them right over here at the bottom. And for my lip combination today, I used the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. And I used the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Enduring Mauve or something, GP344, something like that. So I'm using these two together right here. Oh, and for today I did try something a bit more different because I always been wondering like if it would work for like my under eyes. So I used my Pulaa base in the shade Color Rumor 01. I used this as my concealer and then this actually looked quite good. I like the way that this blend so good with my foundation. But yes, I really hope you guys have fun watching this video and a small little chit chat with me. And if you guys do, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.